How to see your Roblox password? Let's get started. If you're using iPhone device, you can open the Passwords app. Launch it, use your Face ID, then you can navigate to this section All. Here you're gonna find the list of the website, scroll down and search for Roblox. If you found out Roblox, open it. Now you're gonna find the option Password. You'll need to click on that. With that, you're gonna find your Roblox account's password. Next thing you can use is Google Chrome Password Manager. For that, launch your Chrome browser. Now click on three dots given at the bottom right corner. Head over to the option Password Manager. Once in this page, you're gonna find different website option. In this list, you might find the option of Roblox. You'll need to click on that. With that, you'll be directed to this page where you're going to find the option of password. Clicking on that, your password will be visible. Next up, launch your Roblox app. Now navigate to the option More. Click on the option Settings. Head over to the option Account Info. Now over here, you're going to find the option of password. Click on that. You'll get this kind of pop-up to change your password. Within Roblox, you won't find the option to see your password. But you can reset your password by selecting the option Forgot Password. So this is how you can see or find out your Roblox password. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.